Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing through timelines just to turn one long video into a few short clips? Today we are looking at a real game changer called Vizard, the studio-grade editor designed to fit right in your pocket. The days of being tethered to a desktop computer just to post a 60-second clip are officially behind us. Vizard isn't just another basic clipper. It is a smart engine built for creators who value their time and their engagement. Whether you are juggling podcast episodes, live streams, or long lectures, this tool instantly identifies the best moments for you. For professionals, this means you stop hunting for timestamps and start focusing on the actual creative process. Educators can pull key lecture highlights for study reels, while musicians can grab those essential performance clips without any headache. The interface is incredibly intuitive, making it easy to import your footage and set your preferences in seconds. You can quickly select your preferred aspect ratio, whether that's vertical for TikTok or landscape for YouTube, with just one tap. One of the standout features is the attention grabber intensity, which lets the system know exactly how aggressive to be with editing. I absolutely love how the app intelligently handles audio, automatically cutting out those awkward silences and dead air. It even detects reactions and laughs, ensuring those high-energy segments are prioritized for your final cut. With one-tap noise reduction, your clips sound crisp and professional, even if they weren't recorded in a perfect studio environment. The caption generation is top tier, offering a variety of stylish animations that make your text look native to any platform. You can also apply color and lighting presets to give your content a polished, cinematic feel without needing to learn complex software. There are even templates for current trends, like quick cut reactions or montage styles, so you never have to reinvent the wheel. When you are ready to export, you have full flexibility with high-resolution settings up to 4K to ensure your quality remains pristine. The real game changer here is the auto-scheduling feature, which cues your clips to post exactly when your audience is active. You can finally stop worrying about uploading at 3 in the morning just to hit a specific time zone. The content calendar is where everything comes together, serving as a hub to review, tweak, and organize your posts. For teams, this collaboration space is a lifesaver, allowing members to leave notes and approve clips before they go live. Unlike manual editors that take days, Vizard automates the creative discovery and the publishing pipeline simultaneously. Plus, all the processing happens in the cloud, so your phone stays fast and responsive while your long videos render in the background. Security is built in as well, with privacy locks and team access controls to keep your sensitive projects safe. Even after the clips are generated, you still have full manual control to tweak in and out points or swap out music. The time-coded transcript editor is perfect for journalists or creators who need to quickly grab specific quotes from a long interview. By eliminating the manual scrub, Vizard lets you turn an hour-long stream into a series of punchy promos in minutes. While hardcore desktop editors still have their place for deep-dive cinematic work, this is the ultimate tool for the vast majority of creators. Whether you are a podcaster, educator, or marketer, this subscription pays for itself by saving you countless hours of labor. You can even generate dozens of clips from a single webinar and schedule them over an entire month without lifting a finger. Stop burning out on the repetitive grind of manual editing and start letting smart technology handle the heavy lifting. It is not just a tool, it is a full publishing ecosystem that keeps your content consistent and your brand growing. If you are ready to see Vizard in action, check the link in the description to grab your free trial and start exploring. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more essential creator tools. For those interested in more workflow hacks, check out the video I linked over there about repurposing long-form content. That is it for today. Stay creating, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.